This is our spot on, I can't remember the name of the river, but I will put that in print so you will know. Is it not a gorgeous spot? Wow. We stopped here. I'll put the coordinates in the description below. We stopped here on our way to Haines, Alaska. And there is a Mr. C.
Hey. We got a sunny day today. Well, mostly sunny, it looks like.
We're going for a walk.
Had some rain yesterday. That's why I kind of stopped where I'm at there. It leveled up pretty good, so
yep.
We could have pulled back down, but there's a slight hill back there, so this is good enough.
It works. And the pit toilet, Kim, is right there. Okay. They asked that you not park right here.
Camp overnight.
Right. No parking overnight.
Yeah, there's
no parking during the day, period.
Well,
there's no sign, yeah.
Because here's where they come to drop the canoes and all off. And they like to keep this open. That's what it says on the Overlander.
Yeah.
Please not camp here. So camp over there is where we're at. There's several places.
Yeah. There's a couple places up the road and right where we're at. So
like 4 places here. You could probably camp
that's
on
good.
the end there.
Pretty lake though. Look how turquoise it is.
Oh, it's beautiful, man. Yeah. And here's where they slide the canoes and rafts down.
Yeah. And let me zoom in so y'all can see how clear that water is.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Look how clear that is. That is some clear, clean water. That's awesome. Beautiful. Of course, the road in here is dirt. But this is Canada. We're in Canada right here.
Actually, we're in the Yukon.
Well, the Yukon. Canada, Yukon. It's across the border, y'all.
Right off the Alaskan Highway.
Yeah.
Highway 1. Looking for them beavers.
Yeah, we seen beaver yesterday.
They might be out this evening.
Yeah, they're taking a snoozer right now.
Yes.
All right, stop. This area is called Mendenhall Landing. The river goes on up there. We're going to take a walk and see it. There's another spot to camp right there on the water. Good morning. This is where we ended up last night. It's called Summit Roadhouse. And all it is a gravel pit off of highway. What highway is that out there? 2.
Klondike.
Oh yeah, the Klondike. Sorry, we were tired when we got here yesterday. But we're pulling out, headed to Whitehorse today. Yep, it's a big area in here too. We were surprised that we didn't have anyone parked in here with us last night. Yeah, there's even parking down there. Yep, not too bad. And it was foggy here this morning too. You can see it lifting over the mountains there. Amazing. But the sun's trying to come through. We should have a great travel day. Talk to y'all soon. On our way up, we came this way because we were going to cross over into Dawson City.
Back in May.
Back in May. So what happened? Why didn't we?
It was still, which we weren't aware, the river had ice jams in it.
Yeah.
Which actually shut the ferry down. And going to the top of the World Highway was still covered in snow. They were still getting snowstorms up there.
And right back there where we camped is where we turned around and came back to Whitehorse.
Yep. And went to Walmart and everywhere else.
Right.
We were all good.
Yep. And we're going to do the same today.
Going to Whitehorse, but we're not turning around and coming back.
No. Already been to the top of the world. All right. See you soon. The background noise.
Oh, you got a crow in his collar in his truck.
Pelly Crossing is where we're at.
Salmon come a long way to get up in here.
Salmon come up in here?
Yeah, they're here too.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Y'all, I'm gonna zoom in.
So they have Indians here. Here. I might have enough fuel to make it to Whitehorse.
So,
We're here.
okay. Oh, and there's Cross right there.
No, Carmax is where we're going.
Oh, we're going to Carmax.
Yeah, well, if I need to get fuel, I'm going to get it there.
I got you.
Then we leave Whitehorse, we go to...
Haynes Junction.
Yeah. Hopefully get it done today, but we don't know. Depends on how much time it takes to...
All right. Works for me.
Ready?
Yep. So we've got several rivers that come together. So
Start the headwaters of the Yukon.
Yukon.
You get the Pelly River.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not sure about this other one. Could it be the Teslin? It's over here. I mean, I don't know.
Oh, it looks like it.
It comes down here. Then
Yeah.
this drains into here, I think. Anyway, somebody straighten us out.
There you go. Yep. Rivers coming together. All right. Really pretty area. It's a bouncy one though. Jeez. That dang Louise. No, it doesn't matter anyway. Whatever.
Sorry. Where the bridge got washed out.
This is what?
Where this bridge got washed out, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, wow. This is our detour, y'all.
Bridge in here. It just started on this when we come up. And then ripped the old bridge out, man.
Jesus Christ. Jesus. God dang it. Ah. So much for that shit. You just have a mind of your own, don't you?
Wow.
Yeah.
We didn't see this coming up. That was behind us. Wow. Look. That's
Oh.
new.
Cold beer. Wow. Must be a popular place.
Let's get ready.
Welcome to the Yukon.
Over the Yukon.
Carmax.
Yukon River. Again.
Again.
Crossed it several times the day before. It's really clear up here compared to what it's like down
Oh,
below.
yeah.
Yeah, 'cause we're 2,000 feet here. Or 1,730.
Okay, we're going to get fuel here, and we don't know how much it is yet.
It ain't cheap. We stopped here on the way up.
It ain't cheap. I remember stopping here.
Continue on Highway 2.
Fun, fun. Look at that beaver. We heard something coming out of the woods. I was like, oh, what's that? It's a beaver.